Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access hidden settings in iOS 18. So when you have to install the iOS 18 on the latest version on your iPhone, so there are some hidden tricks I will tell you today. So the first of all thing, you will just swipe down to here is you will see there is the your control panel. If someone when your phone is locked, and swipe down and just tap on this airplane mode and some changes to your phone, how to lock it when the phone is locked and can't open this control center. You will just have to go back and open the iPhone settings, and from here you will scroll down and get in face ID passcode, and just type your face ID passcode, and you will have to scroll down and find the control center. So just turn it off. Now no one can swipe down when the phone is locked, and no one can changes in these settings. And number second is you will have to swipe down and you will have to just hold it and just add a control. So from here you can just add a dark mode and again add a control panel, and from here you can just find the mode low power mode. So from here you can just when you quick access in the control panel, you can just add to dark mode on, and if the charging is low you can just from here just tap on the low mode. So it's very helpful and hidden feature in iOS 18. This video help you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.